N8N is the program that I use to connect all of the various automations that you see on my LinkedIn. In this video, I just want to show you what triggers an automation. These are just a few of hundreds of different options. So we can have something like a manual click. So when you click a button, it automatically executes the workflow. In this example, when I click this button, it automatically sends an email, and you can see that I get this. It says it worked. See, this email was automatically sent with N8N. And we can see that in this setting, I have my subject set up. I have the message, that's where it says see with a smiley face. And that's what I have automatically send when I click this button. Now I can also trigger it when I get an email. So I could trigger an automation when an email comes in, do these particular things, right? I can make this automation as long as I want. So here I have a trigger that every time I get an email that has the term testing trigger in it, then send me a test email. Great. I can also run this on a schedule. This is really helpful if I need to do some reporting or send an email out once a week or at a particular time. I could change how often I want this to trigger. So it could happen every few minutes, every X amount of hours, every X amount of days, weeks, months, or even a custom schedule. So if I want a monthly report to send to me, I can trigger it so that every month on the first of the month at 10 a.m., it starts this automation, and then it does the entire flow, like getting together data, creating a beautiful Google Sheets report, then maybe making a slide deck or a PDF and sending that via email. And lastly, we could do this all based on a form submission. So I can show you what this looks like. So let's say we have a form, I'm going to turn this one on, that just has some simple questions like, what is your name? I could type that in. And then when the form is submitted, that will also go here and send an email. It could send an email with the details of that form. So all the things that people filled out, then it could kick off an automation. So those are the ways to think about triggers for automations.